Ito yung nilalakad namin. Papunta ng dito sa may river. Ayan po yung lakaran. Mga few meters is yung trail ng train. Tapos ayan. Tignan nyo yan si Lolo. Hinihingal na. Tapos dito, ayan may tawag nito. Ay, may tinik. Yung mga blackberries. Oh, tree. Ang sikip ng nila dito. Yung daanan. Ayan, sabit yung aking dala. Siyempre, tapos ngayon, ayan lubak-lubak yung daanan kasi umulan kagabi. Kahapon maghapon ng malakas. At saka, I think yung river din is malaki yung tubig. So, ayan. Nandito lang kami to support my son na mag-fishing. And at the same time, mag-picnic na rin kami ni Mr. Tignan natin. Ay, masyadong malaki yung tubig, guys. Ayan, tignan mo yung mga tao, mga basura nila. Iniiwan lang yan. Which is not supposed to be. Dapat pinaano nila yan. Nililinis nila. Ay, kalaki ng tubig ngayon, guys. This is the second catch. So he had his limit for today. And guys, there.
Keeper.
Oh yeah?
Keeper. Oh, that felt good.
Oh my god.
He bit right into it.
You could have cut 3, eh?
I know.
Oh my gosh.